Most PPC tutorials talk about negative keywords, but I rarely hear anything about keyword phrases that drain your PPC spend. I'm going to show you how to locate them early and methodically decrease their drainage on your PPC spend. This is going to allow you to redirect your PPC spend to better converting search term phrases. Now, I know that was a mouthful, but let me show you how easily we can accomplish this. Hey, this is Rochelle, and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. Now, let's first look at it from a bird's eye view. Let's say these 40 dots represent different keywords in your PPC ad group. Most of us know to periodically download our search term report and look for negative keywords. And then when we find them, we add them to our negative keyword list and we add them to our PPC campaigns. So this tells Amazon not to show our product when customers enter search terms that we include on these negative keyword lists. Now, this allows us to not acquire clicks from customers that are not likely to buy our product. And so methodically, our list of negative keywords grows, which allows us to slowly put our product in front of more relevant customers and reduce the PPC spend of less relevant keywords. Now, this optimization technique is pretty straightforward, but what about search term phrases that are draining your PPC budget? Those are not as obvious, so let's look at this a little closer. Let's look at 3 search phrases that are relevant for our product. So, yellow kettle, teapots for stovetop yellow, and 3-quart kettle. We want to analyze the data and let the data dictate our decisions. We may believe teapots for stovetop yellow is more relevant than 3-quart kettle, but the data says otherwise. The 3-quart kettle produced 3 orders from 15 clicks and spent $15 worth of PPC spend versus teapots for stovetop yellow, which after 10 clicks and $10 worth of PPC spend produced no sales. So let me show you how to quickly spot these search term phrases. Then we're going to reduce their bids, and then we're going to quickly update those bids in our PPC campaigns. So to do this, we are going to use bulk operations. From Seller Central, you go to your advertising tab and click Campaign Manager. Hover your mouse on the black bar to the left to open up the menu, and then click Bulk Operations. Set your date range. Now, I do this twice a week, so I use a 3-day time period with a 24-hour attribution. So I'm recording this video on April 2nd. So the date period is set for March 29th through March 31st. Those are my 3 days. And I'm not including April 1st because I want to leave that as a 24-hour attribution. Then I'm going to click Create Spreadsheet for download. You will see File Requested and a message stating creating your spreadsheet. Now, you want to refresh your browser to eventually see your spreadsheet ready for download. And once it is, you're going to click Download. This is what your spreadsheet will look like. Now, we're going to filter and do some calculations to pinpoint what keyword phrases are draining our PPC spend. You will see multiple sheets on your downloaded spreadsheet. Click the Sponsored Products Campaigns tab. First, we need to add filters to our columns. So click the top corner of the spreadsheet. That's going to highlight the entire spreadsheet. Then on your Home tab, find Sort and Filter, and then click Filter. That will add drop-down arrows to all your columns. Next, we want to isolate keywords. So on the record type column, we're going to filter for keywords only. Once we're filtered for keyword, let's scroll to the right and find the clicks column. We will filter this column by 10 or more clicks. This will identify the keywords that are spending a lot of our budget. Next, we will filter the orders column and filter for 0 orders. This is going to pinpoint what keyword phrases are spending substantial budget and not producing sales. Our analysis has pinpointed one keyword phrase that received 24 clicks, spent $20.73 in 3 days, and most importantly, what has been highlighted is the 0 orders. So it's our job to initially decrease this bid for this keyword phrase, hoping that maybe down the line some sales will be created over time. So we're not totally eliminating it by adding it to a negative keyword list, but we're slowly controlling its ability to drain our PPC spend. This will allow other keyword phrases to flourish while we're making data-driven decisions about the keyword phrases that encompass our PPC campaigns. Next, we need to adjust the bid for our draining keyword phrases. So we will calculate cost per click by dividing our total spend by the number of clicks. This tells us we paid an average of 86 cents a click. To decrease the ability of this search term phrase to continue to drain our PPC budget, we're going to reduce our average cost per click by 25%. So the way we do that is just times it by 75% to give us the amount that we're going to reduce it to. So if we take 86 cents, which is our average click, and times it by 0.75, that will give us 65 cents. Next, let's enter 65 cents into the max bid field for our draining keyword phrase. Make sure your spreadsheet only has one tab named Sponsored Products Campaign and save it. To delete the additional tabs, you just right-click on each tab and click delete. Now, once you save it, you want to go back to bulk operations and upload your new spreadsheet and process it. You will get a message verifying if the spreadsheet processed successfully. You can double check this by going into your campaigns and ad groups of the keyword phrases you identified. All of that information is on your spreadsheet. And once you're in the ad group, click targeting to see your keyword phrases and check if the bid matches your spreadsheet max bid, just to verify if your change went through. Let's look back at our bird's eye view by reducing the bid of our draining keyword phrase. Other keyword phrases will get more attention now, and periodically we will find new winners and losers and make data-driven decisions to optimize each condition. We will continuously reduce drainage, discover new money keyword phrases, and isolate them accordingly. Doing this twice a week will tremendously optimize your PPC. And by using bulk operations, you will be able to complete this task quickly, no matter how many PPC campaigns or ad groups you run. And as you scale and add more products, this periodic check will stay just as effortless. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And please click the notification bell after you subscribe so you're notified when I drop more videos. As always, thanks for your time. as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.